Life is entirely unpredictable. Everything is going perfectly fine until suddenly your car breaks down, you face a medical emergency, or your roof starts leaking. If you don't have a dedicated cash cushion waiting for that exact moment, you are instantly forced to borrow money just to survive the week. You swipe a credit card to cover the cost, and instantly you are trapped in a high-interest debt cycle. The interest adds up, turning an $800 repair into an expense that takes years to escape. This standard financial behavior leaves you exactly one minor disaster away from long-term financial distress. We need to break this cycle, and the mechanism to do that is a dedicated financial safety net. This is a cash buffer that sits entirely untouched, so when life throws a curveball, you are making decisions from a position of complete control rather than reacting out of pure desperation. Building this buffer is your primary mission. It acts as the foundational layer that prevents you from sliding back into debt every time an expense exceeds your monthly income. Building a full 3 to 6 month fund sounds terrifying, so we are going to build it using a 4-step blueprint designed to be aggressive, bite-sized, and independent of your daily willpower. Look at this 4-step layout. Step 1 is the starter fund. Do not stress about 6 months of expenses right now. Set your immediate target to exactly 1 month's rent. 1 month's rent is a practical psychological milestone. It is a large enough number to provide real security, but small enough to hit quickly and build momentum. Step 2 is to automate it. You have to treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill that is due the moment you are paid. Log into your online banking and set up a recurring transfer. Route 5 to 10% of your paycheck directly into your safety net on payday, bypassing your daily spending accounts. Step 3 is plug the leaks. Take an afternoon to audit your credit card statements and cancel those hidden, forgotten subscriptions. When you cancel a $15 service, redirect that exact dollar amount straight into your automated safety net transfer. Step 4 is Capture Windfalls. This is your acceleration method. Anytime you receive surprise cash, work bonuses, tax refunds, or cash gifts, 100% of those funds must go straight into the safety net. Relying on sheer willpower to save money often leads to inconsistent results. By using an automated system, you remove the daily decision-making process and make the growth of your fund the default result of your banking setup. This matrix on screen shows the difference in outcomes when you have this system in place. If your car breaks down without a cushion, you are stuck paying 22% interest on a credit card. With a cushion, you pay in cash and walk away with zero debt. Look at a sudden medical bill. Without a fund, you are stressing and borrowing from friends to cover the gap. With the fund, you issue immediate payment and maintain your peace of mind. And if you lose your job, having no savings means you panic and take the first job you find. With a 6-month cushion, you buy yourself half a year to find the right next step for your career. The power of this cash cushion is that it shifts the impact of these events. Instead of a job loss or a medical bill triggering a long-term financial collapse, these events become manageable disruptions that you have the capital to resolve. That is the ultimate result of completing this blueprint. You achieve true financial resilience. You experience a shift in daily anxiety. It is the peace of mind knowing an emergency is handled before it happens. Your starting line is right in front of you. Identify the cost of exactly 1 month's rent and make that your primary target. Then, set up that automated payday transfer so the money moves before you ever the chance to spend it. Prioritize your daily peace of mind over temporary consumption. Implement this blueprint today.